How to enable wireless debugging on Samsung. This tutorial shows you how to connect your phone to a computer over Wi-Fi for development without a USB cable. First, open Settings on your Android. After that, tap on About Phone from the list. Let me show you. From there, tap on Software Information to open the next screen. At this point, tap on Build Number 7 times until Developer Mode is turned on. In the next step, go back to the main settings screen and tap on Developer Options. Following this, scroll down and turn on the toggle next to Wireless Debugging. Once done, a pop-up will appear asking to confirm. Tap on Allow to proceed. From here, tap on Wireless Debugging itself to view your connection details. At this stage, note down the IP address and port number shown on this screen, since you'll need them to connect. Following this, tap on Pair Device with pairing code if you're connecting for the first time. Keep in mind, your phone and computer both need to be on the same Wi-Fi network for wireless debugging to work. Finally, use the IP address, port, and pairing code shown here to complete the connection from your computer. And that's it. If this guide helped you enable wireless debugging on Samsung, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.